Hi, sociologists. I hope you're doing okay. Happy Veterans Day. Today we're going to move into race and ethnicity. We're going to talk about kind of the unequal experience people feel based on an ethnic identity, but also the idea of the social construction of race, because there's a lot to be said about that, and sociologists often look at reality as a social construction, meaning that there's not necessarily a natural order to anything, but rather it's stuff that humans have created and maintained. And I know we've talked about social construction before, so this shouldn't be new information. I'm going to ask you to read Peggy McIntosh's kind of classic work on privilege. So I'm going to ask you to respond to that in the discussion forum. And I'm going to also ask you to watch Race: The Power of an Illusion, which is a really important kind of statement piece about race and ethnicity, and kind of disproving a lot of the myths that we might believe. So, plus you're going to read chapter 11 and, just do everything on the module. But this is a really important section. So put your mind to it, think critically about stuff, and I look forward to what you have to say on the posts. Midterms were due last night. I think you got them in, and hoping everybody is well. Take care.